Hello students, welcome to my channel Computer Information Satyajit. Today we discuss the li tag, ul tag and ol tag. Let's go to practical. Start the HTML and now we write the title and title close. Then we write the lesson for means list order and unordered list. Then body start. Then we write the Panda computer education point, then body close, then HTML close. This is the structure of program. Every program should write this syntax and save the file name means lesson for .html. Okay, this is the web file and now we use the h1 tag means increase the font size means heading 1 tag. Okay, and use center tag. Then this is the center position and now we give a underline, so we use u tag and u tag close. Then h3 our courses, then h3 close. Then li tag, now we use li tag. Li means list order means bulleting. Now we use the li pgdca and li tag dca, then bca and mca, and we use before this subject the li tag li. Okay, list order, this is the bulleting list. Okay, then we close the center tag, center close, because we take it the left position of the page. And now we use ol type, ol tag, ol type is equal to 1 and ol close. Ol means order list. Now we use ol type is equal to a, otherwise abcd and I, 2i, 3i, etc. Let's now we use I, then I, 2i, 3i and capital I. Then we use ul type is equal to circle. Ul type is equal to circle. Circle means this is the circle. Okay, then square, we also use square command, and this is the square. And deci, this is this. And now we separate the each subject of for paper, so we can use after pgdca we use ul type is equal to circle or square, or also use this. Then we write for paper first IT tools and application, then internet and web design, then third programming with C language, and fourth accounting and tally. Now we use the li tag and we also use ul close means ul start and ul close. Then every line the first we use li means list order, then save and refresh. Okay, this is the divided by ul type, and now we divide the DCA also use two paper, but again we write ul type is equal to square, and first paper IT tools and application, then second internet and web design, and we use li tag each line and close the ul tag, means ul start and ul close, then save and refresh. Okay, then we write in this process, and we also write the for paper BCA and MCA. This is the difference between li and ul type and ol type.